Seriously though, were there women pirates? Like back in the old days?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that pirates came in all shapes and sizes.
Really? I never knew that now. Yeah. I thought all pirates were men. Strong, manly men.
Now, do you want to hear about the pirate in my song? Her name is Sylvia.
Sylvia? Is that really a pirate's name, Simon?
It is now.
Is she a good singer?
She is a fantastic singer.
Excellent.
Well, Sylvia, she likes dresses, and she likes her makeup too. She's had an interesting career path, and now she's part of a pirate crew. So every night, she likes to sail by the light of the pirate moon. Sylvia, oh, 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 Sylvia. She always wants to be on the high sea. Some say she's a little shady, but she's done nothing wrong to me. She's a pirate queen. Well, Sylvia, she likes fine dining, and she adores a theatre show. She likes getting stuck into a novel and the glistening of the snow. But when night falls, her pirate duty calls. I hope you've locked your doors. Sylvia, oh, 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 Sylvia. She always wants to be on the high sea. Some say she's a little shady, but she's done nothing wrong to me. She's so lovely. Sylvia, oh, 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 Sylvia. She always wants to be on the high sea. Some say she's a little shady, but she's done nothing wrong to me. She's a pirate queen.
I really like that Sylvia one in your song. I'd go on a ship with her any day.
So would I. In fact, if I wasn't already a famous opera singer, I'd quite like to be a pirate.
I think you'd be a fantastic pirate diva.
Oh, so would I. I'd be excellent at the sword fighting. Ha-ha! On guard!
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.